Good evening. I'm your weather forecaster, Evan Reed, with tonight's NewsLink weather update. It was an absolutely gorgeous day here in Indiana. Our current temperatures across the state right now, here in Muncie it is 76 degrees. Down in the lower southern part of Indiana, 77 degrees down in Terre Haute and Evansville respectively. However, up in our more eastern corner, it is a little bit cooler with temperatures of 72 degrees up in that Lafayette area. Today's almanac, today's high was 78 degrees. It is actually quite a bit warmer than our average high for this time of year, being around 64, but we're only about 5 degrees cooler than our record high, which was set back in 1963, with that high being 83 degrees. So it was pretty warm today, but it will start to cool off a little bit tonight. Around midnight, we can see temperatures being around 66 degrees. As we start to cool down into those low 60s, our low for tonight can be expected to be around 56 degrees, with winds actually being quite gusty tonight, with winds northwest 10 miles per hour, gusts even up to 25. And we can expect those mostly cloudy conditions continuing throughout the night. However, once we wake up tomorrow at 8 a.m., 58 degrees there in the morning, with winds kind of calming down a little bit to around 10 miles per hour. But as temperatures rapidly increase throughout the day, we're going to see a little bit more cloud cover move in throughout the day, with our high expected to be around 73 degrees, and our wind gusts can even be expected to get up to 25 miles per hour. It has been a little bit dry here in Indiana, though. We've only observed around 0.15 inches of rain, and for this normal time of year, we can expect somewhere around 2.02 inches of rain, and that is actually put in our drought monitor here. For our observing stations up in the northern part, we are actually at a moderate drought, and down here in Muncie and Anderson, we can see we are still a little bit more dry. But we can expect, again, more warm temperatures coming along this week, especially here in our little corner of the Midwest. We can expect some pretty above average temperatures for this time of year. However, once we move west, we can actually see that they can expect some below average temperatures there on the west coast. 7-day forecast, again, Wednesday, high of 73 with those partly cloudy conditions, though. Looking at Thursday, we can see that temperature drop just a little bit down to those mid-60s with highs of around 64. Those clouds might disappear for a little bit with some sunny conditions coming in. On Friday, though, we can expect maybe a 40% chance of rain sometime in the afternoon. However, Saturday looking like a beautiful day for homecoming. I'm super excited to see that 62-degree high there. Though Sunday, 61, kind of the same. Though going into next work week, we can expect some temperatures increasing back into those mid to low 70s. If you need more information on the news, check out our Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at NLI Weather.